Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw your money from TesterUp using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, you will see your current balance. Before withdrawing, check these three things. Your tasks are completed correctly, your earnings are approved not pending, or you have received or reached the minimum withdrawal amount. Only approved earnings can be withdrawn. TesterUp usually pays through PayPal. If you haven't linked PayPal yet, go to Profile or Account Settings, tap Payment or Payout Settings, enter your PayPal email address, then save and confirm. Make sure the email is correct and active. Now tap Withdraw, Cash Out or Payout. Choose PayPal as a payment method. Enter the amount you want to withdraw or select Withdrawal All. Check all the details carefully, then tap Confirm or Submit. You will see a message saying your withdrawal request was successful. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.